Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Volam car camera, 4K, dual dash cam, front and rear, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 4K plus 1080p dual car cameras. This 2-channel dashcam front and rear features front 2160p plus rear 1080p resolutions and WDR, which record the videos/images clearly on the road. And this car DVR can capture footage with a front 170-degree wide angle and a rear 140-degree wide angle to eliminate blind spots and retain reliable evidence in the event of unexpected collisions. Including license plates. Dashcam with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Compared the regular dashcam, it features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto that supports real-time GPS navigation, iOS AirPlay and Android Cast Mirror Link, iOS Siri/Google Voice Assistant. Not only record the driving footage but also achieve navigation, hand-free phone calls, play music, messages, and more. Smart real-time GPS navigation. Compared with traditional GPS devices, CarPlay navigators can sync with your phone's GPS navigation. It stays current with the latest online maps without the need for frequent updates. This wireless GPS navigator is compatible with popular map apps like Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, and more. High-quality audio Bluetooth screen stereo. Bluetooth CarPlay built-in speakers offers 3 more audio input options. You can transmit audio to car speakers via 5.0 Bluetooth to enhance the sound experience. If your vehicle lacks Bluetooth function, you can also connect to car speakers through FM or AUX, immersing yourself in high-quality sound. Driving recorder with 6.25-inch screen. This 4K dashcam with a high-quality 2.5D IPS touchscreen, offering clear driving videos. It features an IP66 waterproof backup camera for reverse assistance, along with split-screen display and automatic light sensitivity adjustment for better parking display effect. To enhance your driving convenience. G-sensor and loop recording with 64 GB SD card. This dash camera automatically locks videos upon detecting a car shock or collision. When the SD card is full, it overwrites the oldest video, but locked videos are protected. No need to manually delete, ensuring continuous recording of your driving and capturing any incidents. Our car surveillance camera also supports 24-hour parking monitoring, requires a separate hardwire kit, not included. And the next outstanding feature that recommend new products releases update all day channel will introduce is easy installation in 5 seconds and fits all vehicles. The plug-and-play CarPlay car stereo has a 360 degrees rotatable suction cup and adhesive bracket for secure placement on your dashboard or windshield. The magnetic buckle mount allows easy removal and storage after parking. This dashcam operates within a 12 to 32 volt voltage range, making it universally compatible with most sedans and SUVs, and it doesn't have a built-in battery. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.